Let's talk about the BMW fault code P0420. This code indicates a problem with the catalytic converter's efficiency. Today, I'll guide you through understanding what it means and how to fix it. The P0420 code is triggered when the oxygen sensors detect that the catalytic converter isn't working as efficiently as it should. This can be due to various reasons, such as a faulty catalytic converter, oxygen sensor issues, or exhaust leaks. Before we start, you'll need the following tools and parts: an OBD-II scanner, a new catalytic converter, if necessary, oxygen sensors, wrenches and sockets, jack and jack stands, protective gloves, and eyewear. It's crucial to have the right tools to ensure a smooth and safe repair process. First, use an OBD-II scanner to confirm the P0420 code. This will help you verify that there are no other underlying issues. Check for any exhaust leaks or damage. Even a small leak can cause the P0420 code. Fix any leaks you find. Inspect the upstream and downstream oxygen sensors. If they're dirty or malfunctioning, they might be causing false readings. Replace them if necessary. Examine the catalytic converter for any signs of damage or clogging. If it's worn out, it will need to be replaced. If you need to replace the catalytic converter, ensure the car is securely lifted with a jack and jack stands. Remove the bolts holding the catalytic converter in place and install the new one. After replacing the necessary parts, reassemble everything and clear the fault code using the OBD-II scanner. Start the car and let it run to ensure the repair was successful. Avoid these common mistakes: not fixing exhaust leaks before replacing the catalytic converter, ignoring oxygen sensor issues, using incorrect or substandard parts. Fixing the P0420 code can seem daunting, but with the right approach and tools, it's manageable. Always ensure you follow safety protocols and consult a professional if you're unsure. Thanks for watching, and happy repairing!